Hello and welcome to It's Tomorrow News. I'm Chavi Sompura. A storm system sweeping over large areas of US and Midwest results in 16 deaths. A storm system sweeping over large areas of the US and Midwest resulted in at least 16 weather-related deaths by early Sunday, with overnight tornadoes and flash flood warnings setting up more severe weather system that forecasters say could cause rising waterways for days to come. Many of the impacted areas are already heavily waterlogged from days of severe storm that spawned deadly tornadoes. New tornado warnings were issued overnight in Alabama and Mississippi, along with flash flood warnings for several counties in Kentucky, Mississippi, and Tennessee. Saturday included more of the torrential rain and flash flooding that has pounded the central US, rapidly swelling waterways and prompting emergencies from Texas to Ohio. The 16 reported deaths since the start of the storms included 10 in Tennessee alone. The National Weather Service said that dozens of locations in multiple states are expected to reach what the agency calls major flood stage, with extensive flooding of structures, roads, bridges, and other critical infrastructure possible. A 57-year-old man died on Friday evening after getting out of a car that washed off a road in West Plains, Missouri. Flooding killed 2 people in Kentucky, including a 9-year-old boy swept away the same day on his way to school, and a 74-year-old whose body was found on Saturday inside a fully submerged vehicle in Nelson County, authorities said. Also on Saturday, a 5-year-old died at a home in Little Rock, Arkansas, in a weather-related incident, according to the police. No details were immediately provided. Earlier this week, tornadoes destroyed entire neighborhoods and were responsible for at least 7 of the deaths. There were 521 flights cancelled and more than 6,400 flights delayed within the US or coming into or leaving the country on Saturday, according to the FlightAware.com, which reported 74 cancellations and 478 delays of US flights early on Sunday. Interstate commerce could also be affected. The extreme flooding across the corridors that includes the major cargo hubs in Louisville, Kentucky, and Memphis could lead to shipping and supply chain delays, said Chief Meteorologist at AccuWeather. That's all for now. For more weather news updates, stay tuned with us on It's Tomorrow News. For more global weather updates like this, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for regular updates.